Hello YouTube, this is your girl Crystal aka Serenity 1225 here from the islands of the Bahamas with a very unusual haul for me because this haul will contain snacks and cookies and candies and coffee and seasoning all the way from South Korea. I have this ginormous box on my bed. It's actually for my daughter. She has a friend in South Korea, and he was kind enough to put together little goodie box for her. So I'm gonna try and attempt to say hello in Korean. Is Annyeong haseyo. I had to sing it, okay, because I don't really know how to pronounce it. So yeah, moving along. Just wanted to show you guys what she got because it's really exciting. And here we go. The first thing that we have here is Mocha Gold Mild Coffee. I love coffee, but I love creamy coffee, so I would definitely want to try that. The next thing we have is Spanish Dessert Original Churros. She's more of a chips kind of girl, and I'm more of a sweets kind of cook. So these are corn chips. I'm not going to even attempt. If I don't know the words, I'm not going to say it, honey. I'm not going to say it. And these are traditional Korean, it's on here, face frames. They're basically like magnetic, like paper holders or whatever. They call them magnet memo holder. Magnet memo holder, Korean traditional mask frame. And they're beautiful. They really are. Now this, as far as I'm concerned, that's cookie. Can somebody say cookie? I love me some cookies. So I'm gonna be chowing down to that. There's a lot of stuff in this box, so I'm going to go real quick. And I guess this is a traditional Korean fan. It's beautiful. Okay. Beautiful. Now this, I think my daughter said that this is some sort of broth. I'm not going to attempt any names. Don't speak the language. And I probably won't know what 99% of this stuff is. All right. Well, this I know is noodles, okay? I don't know what type of noodles. It's orange. And there seems to be an egg in it. So, that's the noodles. Next thing we have is, I'm not sure what this is. I think it's rice. I think she said that it's rice. So, and she loves rice. She is obsessed with rice. Okay. Now this I know. It is seaweed. Dry seaweed. Okay. Probably have that upside down. Yeah. Roasted seaweed, I guess. Okay. Moving on. Guess this is some sort of curry sauce or something. Curry sauce. And this is a seasoning. I don't exactly know like what type of seasoning it is. Not sure. We've got some more noodles, and it looks like I'm assuming that this is going to be seafood noodles. I don't know what this is. I have no idea, but I don't know. She doesn't know. Okay, this is tuna. This is vegetable tuna. Interesting. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks hella horrible. It looks like beetles or something, like dung beetles or something. I don't know. But she wasn't excited to see that. She was grossed out by it. This is 100% sesame oil. And then we have some instant meals. I think she said this is hot curry. That looks delicious. I guess this is another instant meal. I'm not sure. Please don't murder me in the comments. I don't know anything about Korean food. Here are some other masks. Those are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. We don't know what this is. We have no idea what it is. I'm going to assume it's some sort of paste. We've got some original potato chips. This reminds me of Lay's. We have some nacho original cheese chips. There's a lot of chips because my daughter loves chips. Don't really know what this is, but it looks like it has sesame seeds on it. Guess it's like another type of chip. Another instant noodles. This one looks like it's gonna be spicy. Spicy noodles. More noodles. Oh, my favorite part. Candy. Candy. Oh, yes. I can't wait to taste those. I think this is some sort of beef seasoning. I'm not too sure. We got some spicy, hot spicy chips. Some sort of turtle chip person. Big news. I don't know what the big news is, honey. I'm often filming in my bed. Okay, this is onion potato chips. I'm not too sure what this is, but it looks like maybe it's some sort of potted meat or something. I don't know. That's how it looks. More nacho chips. This one is interesting. This is honey butter chip. I would never dream of that combination, but you know, it's different. Different culture. Got some more seasoning. Korean seasoning. Honey child, my daughter's gonna have to learn how to cook, honey. She's gonna have to learn. Okay, this is tuna and mayo tuna. Looks like it should be on sushi or something. This is black pepper. Black pepper. Okay, guys, we only have a few more items in here. I'll just make it easy. I'll just hold it up. This is hot pepper tuna. Nice. These are sweet tea food. So I'm assuming those are like cookies or biscuits or something. We got more noodles. Don't know. It looks like a cereal to me. I don't know if that's cereal, but it has peanuts on it, so I don't know. We got this guy. Those look like cheese fries. Almost done, guys. Almost done. I'm so sorry that I'm so boring, but I'm just like not too sure of what I'm looking at. Another set of noodles. This looks like seafood noodles. A noodle in a pink package with a chicken. More chips. Garlic. That's a garlic baguette. And some sort of spicy, I'm not sure what that is. Probably a paste or something. And that's it, guys. So she has a ton of goodies and noodles and candy and chips and paste and seasonings from South Korea. And I'm really excited to taste some of this stuff because I've never had Korean food, and this is definitely something new and different for me. So thank you guys for checking out my channel. Hopefully I'll have more content up for you guys, and I hope that everybody is staying safe. Peace out.